time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are in another different location for our video. We are going to be making slime. I have never made slime before. I am super excited because I know it's a huge popular thing with the kids these days. We ain't the cool kids no more. So we're gonna see what this hype is all about. Plus, it is another Vlogtober collaboration with Jami Brumfield, and this was definitely on my list to do because, like I said, I haven't made it before. I'm just looking at these bottles of glue going, I will leave my Vlogtober and Collab playlist to watch previous videos, and if you're visiting from Jami's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. All right, husband.
Okay.
That's another video that you're taking the lead on.
Yeah.
All the Vlogtober videos. Spotlight's on you.
No pressure there.
Our first Vlogtober episode, Gryffindor took the lead on making these adorable shirts. The video will be linked down below, as well as carving pumpkins.
Ugh.
But these are decorated pumpkins that we got at Trader Joe's. Hashtag not sponsored. Hashtag I wish. Could you imagine being sponsored by Trader Joe's? How cool would that be?
That'd be awesome. And we can get those little cookies.
Oh, my cookies.
Yeah, your cookies.
My pretzels. Oh my gosh.
White popcorn puff things, those things.
Oh, Trader Joe's, if you're watching, hi. Hit a girl up. Email's in my description below.
But I'm reading over things. So what we have to do first.
Step 1.
Add glue and food coloring into the bowl.
Okay, so I have Elmer's Glue All multi-purpose glue.
It was the only glue that I could find aside from this one back to school one. So hopefully this doesn't mess up our slime.
We'll find out. And then food coloring. I got purple, that's a Halloween color, and husband has orange for Clemson.
Yeah.
Or Edmonton Oilers.
Nope.
Choose your
No.
Corona McVirus.
Nope. You might not want to say Corona McVirus on there.
Why?
Because
What's he gonna do? He's gonna come after a micro-influencer? Hey, that's how I get exposed though. I'm sure the Canes probably already know who I am because if you search for a couple of my videos, I do rank on SEO.
Carolina Hurricanes, then there's a picture of you, your thumbnail, we're just like...
Am I doing this right?
I'm assuming so.
I kind of just yanked off the cap and
That's
poured
sort of
away.
what we're supposed to do.
Okay.
They also didn't have 8-ounce bottles. They only had 4-ounce bottles, so I did math.
I'm so proud of
Yeah,
you.
my mom would be pissed if I don't know basic math.
His mom used to be a math teacher. It's just going to string.
Come on.
Glue always reminds me of the Powerpuff Girls episode where that one kid just eats the paste and it got contaminated with the toxins and he becomes a monster.
Gross. Don't eat glue. It doesn't taste good.
You've tasted it before? Oh, I was gonna say, you're a paste eater?
No, just pasty.
And you could give this glue bottle a run for its money.
Yeah, I know. He gets more sunlight than I do. I'm gonna squeeze the bottle later. Alrighty, and bottle number 2.
I'm still on bottle 1.
I feel like this is more like liquidy. These bowls will never be the same again.
I used to hate the smell of glue.
Oh god.
Why'd you take a big whiff of it?
Don't do that. I took a big whiff of it because I'm stupid. By the way, when I'm looking at my phone, I'm not being rude to the video. I am simply pulling up
Just making sure that we're doing things right.
Oh, okay. That's smart.
Bruh, work smarter, not harder. I'm so curious to see what the slime hype is all about. Oh, this one bottle is finally done. I mean, there's like a little drip.
Respect the drip, Karen. It's a TikTok
I
thing.
was going to say, I am not up to date on my TikToks.
Now this is the content people come for. Glue bottle emptying. We're also doing 2 different types of slime. I'm doing mine a little bit more fluffier.
And then normal slime?
And then, yeah, normal
I didn't know fluffy slime was a thing.
Apparently it is a thing. I guess I should probably check and make sure that I'm still doing everything the same way. Fluffy slime. Warning, do not pour glue out first. Well, technically I've already done it wrong if I'm doing the fluffy slime.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Why?
Because I have put 8 ounces of glue in here.
Uh-huh.
And it requires only 4 for the fluffy slime. So I'm doing regular slime, after all.
Alright, we aren't doing fluffy. It's okay.
Alright, so no fluffy. Sorry, Gabriel Iglesias. Glue is empty, so now we put in our food coloring, and you mix it until you get the desired Maybe I put too much in. We're also using plastic spoons.
I know we already had to use one of our good spoons for pumpkin carving.
Yeah.
I might have put too much.
No such thing.
Pate, chocolate. Mix your chocolate. And that, my friends, is from Dora the Explorer. Well, this is like a really nice color for Halloween.
I'm putting more in.
You want it to be more highlighter orange?
No.
Edmonton Oilers.
No, I don't care for the Oilers. Okay, that really did nothing, adding in more food coloring. Yeah, this is the color I'm working with here.
Y'all know me, I don't like the color orange. It does not look good on me. I do envy the ones that can rock orange. Nona and Riri. Well, there's like bubbles coming out of here. Ooh, it's alive. It's alive! It's alive! Yeah, adding more did not do. I mean, it gave like this cool like little spiral, like marbled slime.
All right, so now we have to mix in our baking soda, which is 1 tablespoon. I'm only stepping away here so I'm not dropping it onto the floor. Here you go. You got it? Mm-hmm. You can go in and drop yours in if you want, or if you're waiting on me, that's cool.
It's really tempting to want to throw it at you, but we just took a shower.
We just took a shower, and it's not like you'd help me clean that one up.
I know.
Right.
Why would I help clean?
We mix in the baking soda.
I feel like I'm back in chemistry lab.
I mean, more or less that's what this is.
Oh, I made it thicker.
Yep, thick.
Making this slime a thick boy, like our pumpkins.
And then the next step is gonna be the saline solution. It's 1.5 tablespoons.
Kirkland's Finest.
Yep, so did you want me to do yours first?
Yeah.
You want me to just go in and drop it in for you?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
And mix it?
Mix until combined.
There it goes.
If it's too sticky, we can add more. 1.
It made it like bluer too.
2.
It's
3.
some
You
thick.
need more saline?
I kind of want to just keep going just to see.
I'm gonna go in and, after seeing yours, I'm gonna go in and put more.
I think I might need like a little bit more.
Another.
This can entertain kids and adults.
Holy spitballs. That's awesome.
He's more entertained than I am with it.
This is cool. All right, yeah, this is definitely not just for kids.
And that's why there's slime ASMR. We'll have to do that at the end.
So once it's kind of all one,
yeah, mine is.
Then we have to knead it with our hands. We didn't make slime just to look at it. So kneading it is basically like kind of going through and sort of playing with it. Oh, it's sticky. It's very sticky to my hands. Maybe it's not the best slime in the world.
Yeah, it's sticking to me too.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
That's so weird. Oh wait, I just messed mine up.
No, it's fine. This is more or less what we're doing here. You're just playing with it now at this point. I mean, when I think of slime though, I immediately think of like...
Nickelodeon?
Yeah! But I think Nickelodeon slime is just basically...
water with green shit.
Yeah.
ASMR.
Oh God.
Bruh, ASMR. Uh-oh. That's so high! Nail polish remover will help. Kinda had a feeling that was gonna happen when I saw the blue coming out.
You know one thing I'm surprised about though? The bowls are not that dirty.
Okay, so mine's not as sticky no more. It's my new little friend. I'm gonna name him Muck after Pokemon. It's like the color of muck.
You know the fun thing about muck, right?
Mm.
Muck! Like, let's look at it this way. Some of the other Pokemon names. Ekans. Ekans is what? Spelled backwards. It's snake spelled backwards,
yeah.
right? And Arbok.
Yeah.
Cobra spelled backwards.
Yeah,
right?
I know where you're going with this with Muck. Muck.
I would use the pink one. Ditto. Your hands though.
It's getting worse.
I guess that made the good choice of using orange.
Ugh. Edmonton Oilers.
Why do you keep going to Edmonton? There's better teams with orange.
True. I rest my case. Not saying that Edmonton's good, but I rest my case.
I mean, Philly.
Ew, do not say the Flyers. Sorry, Joy.
But there's also just Clemson.
Ew.
Denver Broncos.
Ew.
Okay. There's probably other teams that use orange that I'm just not thinking of. But some teams, somebody's just like... Oh god, this is really fun actually. I probably should have not had my ring on during all of this.
I can't.
Whoops. That sounds sus.
And then what do? Just
play with it whenever you want.
Yikes. That sounded.
I didn't mean to say it like that.
Husband. I want to try different slime recipes. I see what the hype is. It's really fun. I had ideas because like of getting like googly eyes and putting it in, but I didn't know how like it was gonna go over, or if that was gonna ruin it or not, or glitter slime.
Glitter slime was a thing I saw.
Oh, it looks nasty. All right, we're squishing it back.
The slime basically just reminds me of silly putty. And
I loved silly putty as a kid.
And I guess that's essentially what slime is just a really runny silly putty. It also reminds me of frickin' saltwater taffy.
Don't eat it.
No, I'm not going to eat it. Maybe we shouldn't have put the extra thing of saline in.
Maybe not as much. Maybe a quarter instead of another half. But I mean, it's like science. It's trial and error. It's essentially making different formulations of slime with different ingredients. And that's essentially product development 101. Is you have all your different ingredients. You just take different levels of it just to see what is going to work out best. Figuring out like what the most stable is going to be. Sometimes you want yours to be a little bit more viscous. Maybe you want a little bit more runny.
It kind of looks like you have some sort of like...
I'm Mary Poppins, y'all!
Alright, so she's now Yondu.
I think making our first slime was a success. I think it's the chemist in me that wants to do another run of this at some point. Just because it's still a little runny. Like you said, it's probably the saline. I would love to know if you guys have made slime before. What was your reaction on the final outcome? I know this definitely took me by surprise. I thought it was gonna be not lame, but not nearly as entertaining as it is. Don't forget to check out Jamie's video. Her video will be linked in the description below. I know I'm curious to see what slime recipe did she make, or if she made glitter or fluffy slime. Have you made fluffy slime? I want to know the difference. I'm kind of mad that you soiled it. Soiled it.
I kind of am too, but I'm also pretty pleased with this.
This is true. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I'm gonna throw the slime at your face, and I'll see you in the next video.